Rattles Travel Gossip Tea, Wednesday, July 9, 2025. Opening brief. What's good, family? It's your girl Rattles, your traveling gift to gossip, and today I got some travel stories that'll have you saying, see this why I don't go nowhere with certain people. Buckle up, baby. It's about to get wild. First brief. Woman caught using cruise ship ice machine to cool down her braids. On a cruise to Cozumel, a woman was caught filling her silk bonnet with crushed ice from the Lido deck machine and placing it on her scalp like it was a treatment mask. When approached by staff, she said, "My scalp don't care where we are, baby, it's 96 degrees and my wood glue's begging for mercy." Now sis. I ain't mad at the creativity, but not the cold cap combo on Carnival. She basically turned the ice dispenser into her own beauty bar. TSA can stop the slay, even at sea. Second brief. Man uses Hotel Shuttle for personal Uber service, tips driver to take him to side chick's apartment. A man staying at a Miami resort offered the shuttle driver $40 cash to make a detour before his airport drop-off. Turns out the stop was his side boo's apartment, not a terminal. Hotel staff found out when she tagged him in a TikTok with the caption, "When Bay pulls up in a Hyatt van kiss mark dot." Not the Hyatt hide and go cheat express. He done turned the courtesy shuttle into the scandal shuttle. Sir, next time call an Uber, don't bring corporate into your sneaky link agenda. Third brief. Family gets kicked out of resort for turning pool area into laundry day setup. A big family in Jamaica was caught hanging wet clothes, swimsuits, and towels all around the luxury resort pool deck, on umbrellas, palm trees, and even the lifeguard chair. When staff asked them to remove it, one uncle said, "If you got a breeze, we gon' use it." Look. I understand drying clothes, but y'all made the Four Seasons look like a swap meet. There's sunscreen, swimwear, and sock drawers flying in the wind. That's not shade, it's laundry. Wildcard brief. Couple caught deep frying catfish in hotel bathtub using extension cord and fry daddy. Over the weekend, a couple staying at a motel just outside Savannah, Georgia went viral after hotel staff discovered them deep frying catfish in the bathtub. They plugged in a full-size fry daddy into a surge protector, balanced it on a towel-covered caddy tray inside the tub, and seasoned everything with a bottle of Tony Choqueres and lemon pepper. When management knocked, the man yelled, "Y'all said it was a hot tub." The room smelled like a seafood boil and melted plastic. They were evicted, but they packed their fish first. Nah. Not the catfish jacuzzi combo. Y'all deep frying in the same tub folks used to soak off jet lag. That ain't a bath, that's a side of hush puppies away from a felony. And let's talk about the setup. You run in extension cords across damn tile to power a fry daddy in a ceramic bowl. That's not soul food, baby, that's shock food. High voltage. He said, "It's a hot tub." Sir, hot tubs don't come with Crisco. They're in there like, Alexa, play, fish grease and foolishness volume 2, and I know they sprinkled that lemon pepper like it was glitter at a strip club. But I'll be real, if the fish was crispy, I probably would have asked for a to-go plate. Travel tip of the day. If your bonnet got a cooling system and your braids need refrigeration, you might be traveling too close to the equator. Or you just too fly for this weather. Fourth brief. Lady brings mini George Foreman grill on train, makes grilled cheese during 8-hour ride. Amtrak staff didn't even stop her. Said she was the only warm food we smelled all day. She said, "If you're not feeding us, I'll feed myself." That's not first class, that's pressed cheese couture. Fifth brief. Man refuses to wear swim trunks, wears his denim shorts into resort pool. He said, "These my travel shorts. I only brought one pair." Water turned bluish gray. Guests reported a denim smell. If your swimwear got belt loops, you need to be escorted out immediately. That ain't chlorine safe, that's Wrangler wash off. Sixth brief. Couple argues on plane after woman finds out boyfriend only booked one hotel bed for family reunion. He said, "You said we'd work it out." She replied, "I ain't sharing no twin bed with your uncle and your son." Not the trifecta of dysfunction. Baby, next time just say you're broke and go to sleep in the rental car like the rest of us. Closing brief. For the trips that don't end in towel lines and grilled cheese incidents, lock in the deals at breathtakinglagoon.com. Y'all, I'm off to go steam my wig with hotel iron settings on Diva. Until next time, don't turn luxury into laundromats, and keep your scandals out the shuttle van. Rattles out.
I can't believe it.